going on?
Hershey's, I know.
Yeah. Let me go to the class. Is it okay?
What can I do?
Algebra.
Hi,
Hi.
Priya.
How are you all? Sorry, guys. I was 2-3 minutes late. Actually, I logged in, was about to accept the request, but my system froze. I had to restart. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, Vidyut, was the test difficult?
Yeah, it was pretty difficult.
Really? Okay.
Wait,
So how
which
many could
the
some fall invitational? What is that? I don't know. What was
yeah, the
that?
Rick, it's like a competition. Yeah, it's kind of hard.
I see. Where was that, Vidyut?
It was in my school.
It was in your school?
Yeah.
Okay, so it is meant for which grades?
Um, it was for Algebra 1 division, Algebra 2 geometry,
Uh-huh.
pre-calculus, calculus, and statistics. It's not like we're competing against each other. It's like different divisions.
Can you explain what was that?
It's like in different divisions and like the higher ones. And there's also Euclidean open, data open, and all that. It's for, yeah.
I see. Let me quickly check something.
Mm.
Today was everything?
Yeah, today was everything.
Huh. Interesting. Okay. So this was algebra one that you attended?
Yeah, the algebra one.
Uh, you have algebra 2 as well, is it?
No, it's the competition. There's an algebra 2 division, but that one was for algebra 1 specifically.
Oh, this one was algebra 1 specifically, is it?
Yeah, sometimes they have questions from later divisions. Like, for example, one of my friends in geometry had a question from pre-calculus.
Oh, I see. So they go beyond, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, did you do the practice test and go?
Oh, yeah, I did.
You did the practice test?
I had some problems on it. like so.
Illima, did you do the practice past tests
Oh
previous
no,
years?
no, because my mom for like we didn't even know if we were going, and then last second we were going, and yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, okay. Let me bring up some of the problems. Let's see. I have no idea what are these problems, okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay. 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 Maybe I'll give you some inputs and you guys all study and come. Have you all heard of Vieta's formulas? Any of
No.
you have heard of Vieta's formulas? For next week, can I give you that as an assignment? What does Vieta's formula do with quadratic and cubic equations? Can you Google that out and come? Can you note down? I can write down the name as well. Meaning, rather than me giving out the answers, right? There are okay. I'll tell you the context. Vidyut has given me a complex set of problems. Okay. Rather than me working through that out, right? I would like you to look at Vieta's formulas. Can you Google what is this? For quadratic and cubic equation, or for polynomial, yeah, just look for quadratic and cubic equation, cubic functions. What does it do? It does something with the roots. Can you all check that and come for me? That is number one. I'll add it to your assignment. And let me see.
It's saying like some, I think Greek letter. It looks like an upside down. I don't know.
Which one, ma?
It
Which
says
question?
for the sum of the roots is like I don't know what this is.
Oh yeah. Question number?
Wait, no, I was just searching it up. The gift has
Okay,
come back.
let's try this one. This you should have been able to solve, right? This we have done in class. So I'm going to give you this problem. Let's see how many of you solve.
I actually there's a time limit, so I just tried doing the as quick as I can.
I see. Why don't we solve this? Let's solve this challenge. This is not something that I wanted to, but this is like a review. Let me see. Find the equation of the line that passes through the point and is perpendicular to the line. What do we do? Anybody can give me some inputs. Anybody can give me some inputs on this.
So perpendicular means you just have so it you have to make it negative and then like so it's 15 by 1 so it becomes negative 15 by 1 x.
Negative 1 or 15.
Yeah. So
Yeah, you
it's
do it and tell me the answer. Then I'll ask you for explanation. How about that?
Auntie,
sure.
Huh?
after the comp, I did it again when I had time. I got C.
You got C on this? Okay, let's wait. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm doing.
Oh, okay, take your time. This one. I really want see when we do this book, right, we should also see whether we are able to do something extra and something hard. That is my target too. Hmm. Wow, these are good ones, guys. Okay.
Mm.
Are you doing alchemist, Vidyut?
Mm, not too much, but I was like overhearing some in our school for homework in algebra 2 and beyond. They do alchemist for homework.
See?
Yeah.
Algebra 1, it's meaning I have been telling you all the while, right? You should do alchemist, you should do alchemist.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, some of you have been doing, some of you have not been doing. That is the reason. Meaning, when you do alchemist methodically, you would have been able to solve all of these problems.
Auntie, what's E?
Let me see,
None
wait.
of none of the above.
It's yeah, it's E. I'm
Oh,
pretty
none of the above, none of the above.
yeah, I'm pretty sure it's E.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Vidyut says it's C. You say it's E.
Yeah,
Let's
even I
see.
think it's
I think it's C.
Ashwin, what do you think?
I think it's E.
I just
It's
worked
E.
it out.
Okay, half of the class says it's E, half of the class says it's C. Can I try on the board now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are nice review problems, guys. This was not done by me, but an external competition can really evaluate us, right? So find the equation of a line that passes through this point and is perpendicular to the line. So first, they've given the line, okay? For any equation of a line, what are the two things that I need? For any equation of a line, what are the two things that I need?
The the equation first.
No, 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 no. To write the equation of a line, what are the things I need? What are the
You need the slope and the y-intercept.
slope I need? I need y-intercept. Or what do I need? What else do I need?
Like a
2
point.
points. 2 points on the line.
Yeah, 2 points.
2
Yeah.
points on the line I need. Okay. Now, with that, right, how can I find my line is perpendicular to this line means what is the slope of this line? Slope of that line is 15. So slope of my line is what?
Negative 1 over
Negative 1 over
Negative 1 over 15. That's good. Now, what am I missing? It passes through this point. So let me write out that point 14, comma 15. Okay, now I will write this equation. I know the slope. You write mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. I don't know the y-intercept. But I can't have this three variables. I can have only x and y in the equation of a line, right? So why don't I substitute this 14 and 15? 14, 15. Let me substitute that. 15 equal to minus 14 by 15 plus b. What is that?
Yeah.
So 15 plus 14 by 15, right? What
E-
is that? 225 plus 14. What is that? 239 by 15, correct?
Yeah.
So I substituted back. Y will be equal to minus 1 by 15 x plus 239 by 15. Make sense?
Yeah.
Are you all with me? Ashwin, are you with me? Ashwik, what is
Yeah.
going on? I don't see you and I don't know what's happening with you. Did you see?
Yeah, I said C.
Oh, see, good. How about the next one? Swim loves using the firecracker card and he wants to know the maximum height. So, firecracker goes how? So, what type of problem is this?
Quadratic.
Quadratic. So, it is an inverted parabola. They're asking about the maximum height. What are they asking for?
The maximum.
What is that? Maximum is what?
Vertex?
Huh, that's
Yeah.
it. That's it. They framed it in a different way. That's all. What is the vertex? If you're given this form, what is the vertex? What is the x coordinate of the vertex?
Mm,
The x coordinate of the vertex. What is the x coordinate of the vertex? Minus b by 2a is the x coordinate of the vertex.
Minus b by 2. Okay. So
Yep. Minus b by 2a is the x coordinate of the vertex. Let's try that. What is minus 16 divided by 2 times minus 2? What is that, guys?
minus 16 divided by minus 4.
Yeah, so what is that? 4. So,
Yeah.
so when x equal to 4, the maximum height was reached, but I need the height. How to find that height? When I know my x value of the vertex, what is the y value of the vertex? How to find it?
Just plug it in.
Exactly, just plug it in. Minus 2 times 16 plus 32 plus 48. What is that? 48 is the answer. Yeah,
No, yeah.
got it?
Mm-hmm.
With you, did you get it?
yeah, I got it.
So these questions, go ahead.
Study parabolas at all, so
What is it?
I hadn't studied parabolas at all.
But what are we learning now?
Oh, like transformations and stuff.
Quadratics. No, factorization of quadratics we are learning, right?
Mhm.
But I have not taught you word problems. That is true. Agree. Agree. Make sense? Yeah. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Some of these you should know, guys. Meaning, I feel like we should really do this. How about this? Sum of the abscissa and the ordinate of the vertex. Okay, this one is as well easy, ma. Okay, let's see. I will do it. Wait, guys. These are really good. Mm. Okay. How about this? I
Oh,
want you to know the definitions. It's not like I'm just giving you. I just want you to see the definitions. I've never seen this come in a school level problem. What are they asking? To Hari's amusement, he ended up rolling an even number followed by an odd number by the number 3. This meant that his class royal username would be Swim. To reward himself for rolling the right numbers in the die, Swim decided to challenge you guys with a problem. Find the sum of abscissa and ordinate of the vertex of the quadratic equation. Vidyut, absolutely, it's a little higher than what we are covering. So what are they asking? You guys know now.
I had no idea what an abscissa or ordinate.
Don't worry about it. Find the sum of abscissa and ordinate of the vertex. What is vertex? What is vertex?
The highest point in a parabola.
True. What form it would be? The form is abscissa, comma, ordinate. What is that? It is just different names, guys. You all know already. What is it? Vertex is in the format what? It is a coordinate point, right? It is
Yeah.
x, comma, y. Otherwise called as abscissa, comma, ordinate. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Guys, this is vertex, right? Simply they've confused you. Vertex is x comma y, right? We are all used to this only, but it is also called abscissa, SCISSA, comma ordinate. Make sense?
Yeah, it makes
Yeah,
sense.
in India we call it like this, abscissa ordinate.
Okay.
Makes sense. Here I've never seen. Okay, of the
So
vertex. Yeah.
it's there's like this math club thingy, and it's only for like the best math people in like the specific algebra
Mm.
one. It's for like that. And
No,
it's
no,
like,
since these problems are so related to your class, I thought of bringing it up and showing some of the problems. So how do you find it? Now only I told you, given a quadratic equation, how to find the vertex. This is in standard form, right?
mhm.
This is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c, right? How to find the vertex? How to
Minus
find the vertex?
b
Huh?
minus b divided by 2a.
Exactly. X coordinate of the vertex is what? Minus b by 2a. What is it?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Then how to find the y coordinate of the vertex?
You have to do
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
I plugged in the values
Now,
for
what did you get?
I got y equals to 4.
Exactly. So what is the sum of ordinate and abscissa?
2.
2. Good job. Hey, are you all learning something new? We are discussing. That's my intent. I don't want to waste my time. Meaning, if you're not, these are the type of problems you'll get in standardized tests. So let me see. Is there an answer? What was the answer, Amma? Sorry. What was her answer?
2.
Two. Is there an answer? Two. Find this. Yeah, there is an answer too. Good guys, that's the answer. And then what? Let me see. Let me see if I can give you one or two more problems, and then I'll move on. Okay. I really wanted you to be well established to handle these problems. Let's see.
Shanti,
Mm.
you also received the point scoring. It was 4 points for a correct answer,
Uh.
points for not answering it, and -1 for wrong.
Yeah. See, that is how AMC 10 takes place. That is why they gave you this. What is that? How many points for correct answer?
4.
4. Wrong answer?
-1.
No answer?
0.
Oh, 0. Okay, no answer. AMC 10 carries 1.5 points. If you answer it incorrectly, 0.
I remember in one of these problems, I don't know if it was this one. In one of them, I circled the wrong answer and then I put the right answer on the bubble sheet.
Oh, that's good. Okay, how about this? Who can help explain? Quick, come on. Dia, can you explain? He forgot his password, and in order to retrieve it, he must find the roots of the quadratic equation. How to find it, ma? How to find it? Hey guys, now only we discuss this. So one of you, I want you, Diya or Ashwin, I want you to explain this, or Vishnu Ram. Ashwik already explained the previous problem, so I want one of you to explain. Or Vidyut. Ashwik, you can
So
talk and tell me the answer. Let's evaluate whether Vidyut's answer is right. Vidyut has circled 6. Let me see. Try, guys.
I think it was this problem.
minus b by 2a, right?
Yeah, why don't you do and tell me? Yes, good job. That is the x value of the vertex.
Minus 5 divided by 2.
Good job. So what? But they're asking what? Find the sum of the roots.
Yeah.
Wait. Find the sum of the roots. So how do you find it? This we already did in class, guys. There's nothing new.
You can just plug it into the quadratic formula.
That's a good idea. No, but then they've asked the sum of the roots. You can't. They are very clever. You guys will do that. So they have asked to find the sum of the quadratic. Hey, how do you solve this quadratic equation? I'm feeling a real lag in the class. How do you find the roots of the quadratic? Guys, are you all doing the homework? We have done problems using 2 different ways to do this. I'm going to wait. Guys, you have to come up with some solution. How to find roots of the, how to find the roots of the quadratic, Anish?
I don't know.
How to find the roots of the quadratic, Ashwin? Hey, did I cover, guys? You are putting me.
Negative b over a.
That is the vertex. That is the
minus
vertex.
b plus or minus.
What is that? Did we discuss that in class, Ashwik?
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, we are really lagging. Honestly, I tell you, we are not there at all. Wait, why are we not able to answer that? Let me quickly check the classroom.
I got x equals to -2 or -3.
Hey, this is very concerning to me if you're not able to answer. Let me see. I'm going to check, guys. We don't want algebra class.
Priyanti, there was a question that was stumping me so hard.
I'll come there.
Minus, isn't it minus b over a?
Okay. Okay. What, Ashwin, you have completed the homework. How did you do this? I am a little off now. Wait, let me see. Quadratic factoring. Shyam, can you tell me how do you find it?
Yeah, and my mom helped me a little bit.
Yeah, Diya, can you tell me? Yeah, tell me how to find.
I kind of forgot.
Oh, wow. That is putting me into a lot of uneasiness. Okay. Who
Auntie,
can tell?
I just solved and I got B.
How did you solve? Can you tell me?
So I just like plugged it into the quadratic equation. I plugged like each value in the quadratic equation. So like minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. I just plugged it into.
Correct. That is what you need to do to find the roots, right? Minus b plus
Yeah.
or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a is the value of x, right? So
Yeah.
x would be equal to b is this, c is this. What is the problem in doing it? A is 1. So minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 4ac by 2a minus 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. So minus 5 plus 1 by 2 or minus 5 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but minus 2 or It will be minus
Minus
3. So the
three.
sum of this is minus 5.
That's what I got.
Oh, Priyanti, I think it's this one.
But you got it now?
Yeah, because I was checking my answers on the ones that I knew that I could do, and on the scratch paper, I was like, wait, this one, it's this one. And then I put it on the bubble sheet and I turned it in.
Okay, let me see, guys. If you tell me in advance, meaning I'll also assign some of these as homework from now on. I feel, see, because many of you are not doing the homework. I feel because I go back and check, verify. I have graded for some. Ashwik, do you remember the formula?
Yeah.
How about you, Sham? Do you remember the formula?
Yeah.
Are you doing your homework?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this?
But Priyanti,
Uh,
there's a question about like goblins and then some square like roots. It was radicals and it was really weird.
let me bring it up because that as well, I saw that question. That as well we have solved.
Mm,
Okay, let me see. Let me bring up it.
hmm
I saw that question too.
I didn't remember exactly which one it was, but I was like, no, I'm not doing this.
Yeah, I'm going to bring it up. Okay, these are questions which are based out of pre-algebra and algebra. Some are difficult. I'm not giving you those. Whatever is applicable to your class, I'm giving. Skeletons know that goblins hate square roots. I know I'm taking off our class time, but this is all good for you. Skeletons know that goblins hate square roots. So the skeletons launched an attack on the goblins using the expression. In order for the goblins to survive the attack, they need to simplify the expression. What is the simplified expression? Okay, I'm going to do this for you. Anybody, any thoughts? I don't know, guys, how to do. Let's try it together. We have to find this expression, right? Using this expression, we have to find this expression. So what do we do?
It's root 12 plus root 99 on the.
Yeah, I think you wrote 19.
Yeah, I wrote 19.
Oh my gosh. Okay. How will I do this? So you need to find this, right? I will assign this as x. Hate square root. So the skeleton launched an attack on the goblins using the expression. Okay. Okay. In order for the goblins to survive, they need to simplify. What is a simplified expression? Okay. Can I square? Can I square it and find out x square? Can we try what is x square? What happens? Do you all know what is a plus b the whole square? Take this as a, take this as b. What is a plus b the
A
whole?
squared plus B squared plus 2AB.
Correct. So how does that come? Think of this a plus b. I'm asking you a plus b the whole square. So I'm doing the box multiplication that you learned. Do you all remember the box multiplication that you learned earlier?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, so same thing I'm doing here. So a square, this is ab, this is ab, this is b square. So a plus b the whole square is the area of the square, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Please put this into your brain. Next time I'll ask you.
Auntie,
Uh,
in school right now, we're learning conjugates and all this stuff right now.
conjugate so soon?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're not there. We are not there with you. I don't want to conjugate. I
I
don't want to.
understand it. I understand it. Really,
That's nice.
like the
So,
easy conjugates that are like root 6 plus 2, like that.
so a square plus b square plus 2ab is what? 2ab is the multiplied value of these two, right? So 2 times 12 plus root 99 times 12 minus root 99. Let me see what happens.
You
Oh, wow.
wrote no 19 here.
Okay, I'm sorry by mistake. Okay. Now what is this? 12. Oh, here as well. This is minus 99, right? A square plus b square. If I square this, what happens? Square root disappears, right? 12 plus root 99. What happens? Plus 12 minus root 99. What else? Plus 2 times. I can put everything inside the same square root. What is that? 12 plus root 99. Then 12 minus root 99. Now guys, what is of this format? A plus b, a minus b. Do you all know what is a plus b times a minus b?
A squared plus minus B squared.
A square minus b square. So guys, I really want you to learn what is a plus b the whole square. Okay, 3 things which come out of algebra 1 class you need to remember. Okay, this you cannot do box multiplication every time. You'll have to remember this. I'm writing it in red. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Similarly, a minus b the whole square, if you get it, these are formulas. A square plus b square minus 2ab. The last formula would be a plus b times a minus b. Like let's say 3 plus 2 times 3 minus 2. What is it?
That's a squared minus b
6
squared.
times 1 is 6, right? What is 3 plus 2 times 3 minus 2? 3 square minus 2 square. A square minus b square. 9 minus 4. 5 times 1 is a 5, right? So 9 minus 4 is a 5. Here, a square minus b square. These three, this and all we didn't go yet, Amma. Okay, we will get there. But then these three are, you're just multiplying a plus b and a plus b. Here you're multiplying a minus b and a minus b. Here you're multiplying a plus b and a minus b. Your formula should be a square minus b squared. Make sense?
Priyanti,
Yeah.
a plus b and a minus b conjugates.
A plus b and a minus b are conjugates, correct? Just the word is new to you all, right? What is conjugate? Here, let's say a plus b is there. If you have another term, this is negated, right? This is a conjugate. That's all. Conjugate does not have much to it right now, but later we'll have. So here, guys, what will happen if I apply the formula a plus b, a minus b? What will happen, Ashvik? Ashvik, what would happen? This is a plus b, a minus b, right? Make it to a square minus b square. A plus b.
144 plus
Good.
99
144?
plus
Plus y
minus
plus y
99.
plus y plus
Minus 99.
minus 99. What is that?
45.
Root of 45 is what? What is square root of 45?
9 squared times 5 squared.
Root of 40. Wait, root of 45 is 9 times 5. Anish, can you tell me what is root of 45?
Root of 45 is 3 to the power of 2 times 5.
Correct. What is root of 45?
Root of 45 is 3 square root 5.
Good. 3 square root 5. So I bring the 3 outside, 3 square root 5. So if I simplify that, oh wow. Okay, wait. So here, do you see? They have it all in square roots. So what do we want to do? We want to maintain that square root as well.
So did we simplify?
So I want to maintain the square root. I did not see the answer. Okay, let's see. From here we'll read.
Did we
So-
simplify too far?
We simplified too far, yeah. Let's go back. That's okay. We'll see. I have to bring everything. See, okay, let's see, guys. Wait. Wait, we didn't simplify too far. We didn't simplify. See, because we are doing x square, remember? X is this means we are doing x square now. So remember that. So 24 plus 2 times, as Anish said, this is 3 root 5, right? Now, let me write it down. 24 plus 6 root 5. This is x square. So what would happen? Let me take out the 6 as common. 6 is common to both the terms, right? If I take 6 common, it becomes 4 plus root 5. Are you all with me, guys?
Yeah. Oh, and
Now-
then you root it.
Then you root it. Yes, because
So we
x
have
square
8.
is this, x is what? This one. See, these are tricky problems in the sense based on whatever we have learned though.
Priyanti, there's also a time crunch because you have like limited time to do it.
I understand. It comes only with practice.
Yeah.
It comes with a lot of practice.
I was going to try skipping this and then coming back to the end, but I had like easier problems like that I could have solved two in the same time I solved this one. So like I didn't come back to it.
I see. Guys, you know what? How to find out 101 square quickly? Come on, this is just scratching the surface. Well, how to find out 101 square?
10201.
See, 100 plus 1 the whole square, guys. Quickly you can do this. How? How you can do? You don't need anything. How is that you can do? Add this to AB. A plus B. A is 100, B is 1. A plus B the whole square is A square B square, A square plus B square. 2AB is what? 200, right? Just plug it in. Answer is this. Make sense?
Mhm.
This
Is
is what works with competitive math. What is this, guys? 100 square minus 98 square. What is that? How to find it out quickly? Whoever, any thoughts? I gave you 3 treasure from
wait,
algebra.
isn't it
I gave you 3
98
treasure from
squared?
algebra. You cannot afford to forget this.
98 squared is equal to 100 minus 2 in parentheses squared.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, that's a good one. But do you see this is a difference of squares? Difference of squares. Do you see the difference of squares applies here?
Oh.
You see, so I can write this out as A plus B times A minus B. How simple? Does that make sense?
Okay, how did you get 198?
How? Tell me. This is difference of squares is equal to sum of them and difference of them multiplied.
Yeah, that's what I did.
So what happened? 100 plus 98, 100 minus 98.
198 times 2. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, that's the best way to do, right?
Yeah.
How about this 2001 square minus 2000 square? It's a very famous problem. You have to apply the 3 treasure of algebra everywhere when you do algebra. A square minus B square is what? 4001 times 1. That's it. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are see the thing is I don't get time when we discuss only those whatever is in the book. So when you do alchemist, you'll be forced to do all this. Okay, can I go to our problem now?
Priyanti.
Yeah, go ahead.
So there's a team competition and
Uh-huh.
it was playing around with. So one of the questions,
Uh,
one of the last questions, my team, we were. I did my part right. Everyone else, it was like something with I and it was like it had like
Was it
20 eyes. It was like
Mhm.
the entire page was just filled with eyes, and he had to simplify it within 4 minutes.
I see. I see. I'll do one thing, guys. You know what are triangular numbers?
Yeah,
What are triangular numbers? Who can answer that?
aren't they like they can? It's like 1 plus 2, and then 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus.
Okay, can we do one thing? Triangular numbers, you'll all Google and come. Okay, and Vieta's formula, you'll Google and come. Can we try that?
Okay.
Triangular numbers and
What
Vieta's formula.
triangular numbers
I
are?
already did that.
We didn't
Which
know
one?
what triangular numbers are.
What are they?
Basically, so it starts from 1 and then 1 plus 2. So like it goes in consecutive order from 1 plus 2 and then plus 3. So like it's adding all the numbers present.
How?
1 and then
No. What are triangular numbers? 1, 3.
1, 3, 5.
So odd numbers?
No. 1, 3. Next one is 6.
Oh, it's out. Is it like Wait, I don't understand what.
I think it's
You
like
don't
1, then
Oh, is it adding the number behind it again, like 3 plus 3 is 6, so that after 6 it would be 12, right?
After 6, it will be 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No.
No, after 6, I think it's 10, right?
1,
How
3,
is-
6, 10, 15.
1. Yeah. So how did you get those numbers? Who can tell me?
I added the next number.
Yeah, you add the consecutive number. So
1.
it's
1
2,
plus 2 என்ன பார்த்துடுறீங்க?
and then 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then.
So 1 plus 2 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what is the nth number? See,
The
this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. So what did we do? First term is 1, second term is 1 plus 2, third term is 1 plus 2 plus 3, fourth term is What is the nth term of the triangular numbers? Go
N,
ahead.
N equals to, wait, no, a 1 plus 2 plus 3,
Mm.
N.
Till n. How do you write the formula? Do you know how to do that?
Is it like N times N plus 1 divided by 2?
Exactly. N times n plus 1 by 2 is the formula for that. Nth term of a triangular number. See, if you want to add the sum of n numbers, this comes in pre-calc. If you want to add the sum of n numbers, you can do n times n plus 1 by 2. Okay, guys. You know
He
what?
sent questions in my math UL, so I know these.
Yeah, that see, this is one problem. I'm not able to bridge the gap between the school math and the math and the competitive math. Yeah, see, I want to show you one video. Okay, I know we are getting off the class, but then these are good ones, guys. I'll show you one video. I really want you to see. It's okay, even if we waste class time on this. I'll show you. You can do it at home. I can also
Learn Python for a career in data science, IT, or engineering.
See this.
Then you need the
I really want you to see this.
At this point, since we're only dealing with basic arithmetic, we've limited our patterns to just those that appear with multiplication and addition. These simple patterns and rising any skill in mathematics.
1 second, guys.
Of someone's ability to see these patterns is an important skill in mathematics, and ultimately, being able to use math to understand the world around you.
I'm not going to play the 12
A great
minute
example
video.
of someone
Only the
who is
important
able to
piece.
see the mathematical patterns around him is Carl Friedrich Gauss.
He was very famous.
In 1787, young Carl was a 10-year-old
It's a
student
story.
in Braunschweig, Germany. The pattern that was perhaps most apparent in his class was the tedious repetition of a dismal life, toiling over slates in a drab, low-ceiling classroom and avoiding beatings from the abusive teachers.
He had a very abusive math teacher.
There was an instructor at the school by the name of Büttner. Although he enjoyed intimidating his students, Büttner often found that teaching involved too much work. He therefore devised ways to keep his students busy for hours on end while he sat back to relax. On one occasion, as the story goes, he gave his class the task of adding together all the numbers from 1 through 100. This, he had hoped, would earn him a relaxing afternoon of watching students tap away at their slates. He had barely finished his instructions when his student, the young Carl Friedrich Gauss, stood up from his desk, walked up to the front of the room, and turned in his slate on Büttner's large desk with an offhanded, "There you go." Young Carl.
Do you know what is the sum of first 100 numbers?
Yeah.
5050.
Yeah. But do you know why?
Carl sat
Do
quietly
you
for
know
the
how
rest
the
of the
formula comes? N times n plus 1 by 2. Do you know why do we use the formula? Do you know? Let's see.
When all of the slates were turned in, Büttner immediately ripped Carl's slate out from the bottom and looked at it. To his astonishment, he found that Carl had the correct answer, and the only number on his slate was the answer. He had written no calculations whatsoever. How did he do it? How had he figured out how to avoid such
Would you mind if I skip a little bit? So that was the teacher's surprise. But see, I really want you to understand how the formula comes in.
If you start writing out the numbers 1 through 100, or even start punching them in on a calculator, you should notice a repeating pattern. If you look at the problem in chunks, you are adding together the single digits 0 through 9 a total of 10 times, and adding together 10 tens, 10 20s, 10 30s, and so on. The addition problem may seem daunting when you first look at it, but once you start solving it, you can see that it's just screaming out with possible patterns. It's not completely clear what approach Gauss actually used, but more than likely, with the speed at which he solved it, he probably thought along these lines. And the far right is 100. If we add the first and last number in the sequence,
This is the
1
way.
and 100, we get 101. If you look one step in from these numbers to 2 and 99 and add them together, you also get 101. Move in another notch to 3 and 98, and they also total.
So how many 101 should be there, guys?
50.
How many 101 should be? You
50.
clearly it's a
50.
pattern, right? Huh?
50.
Exactly. 101. There are 100 numbers, right? But first and last, first and last, first and last. So what happens here? 5050. Make sense, guys?
So basically what n is like is the highest number. And
Yeah,
then
n is the highest number. Yes.
50 times it's divided by 2.
Yeah.
So
Did you all
then,
get it? Yes.
then it always is 101. So it's plus
Yep,
1.
yep. I can say I can put the video in the Google Classroom. You can watch it at home. I really don't want to take away much of this time. See
Pattern
here.
perhaps a bit more obvious. Let's picture the numbers 1, 2 squares,
See here.
the number 3 as 3 squares, and so on. All the numbers stacked up one next to the other form a sort of triangular staircase. The task now becomes to count the total number of squares. Previously, we used multiplication to determine a number of tiles arranged in a rectangular shape.
This
But
one's
now,
half of
we
that.
don't have a rectangle, but a triangle, which we don't yet know how to deal with. Perhaps we could find a way to turn this triangular shape into a rectangle. We could divide the triangle into two parts right between 50 and 51. We could then take those two chunks and fit them together like puzzle
See what
pieces
happens?
to form a rectangle. The single square is moved on top of the stack of 100 squares. The two squares are on top of the 99 squares, and so on, all the way down to the 50 squares on top of the 51 squares. Moving around this piece hasn't changed the total number of squares. We simply worked to rearrange it into a form we could more easily deal with. The figure is now a rectangle that has 50 squares across and 101 squares running up the
101
height.
squares.
Multiplying 50 by 101 gives us the total number of squares, 5,050.
Make sense, guys? I'll put the video in the classroom. Make sense? Okay, so that's one famous thing which is existing. Okay, so now I really wanted to go cover a few more problems. Okay, we'll do only this today, but I'll give you homework based out of this. So if you are going to find the quadratic function, its roots means what are its roots? The values of x are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now let's see this one. How about this? 1 second. How about this one? How do you convert this to a fraction? This is something we've learned before. I don't know whether you guys remember. Okay, we have learned this. Can you help me solve this one? This is just whatever we have learned already. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. What is the discriminant, guys? All of you do and tell me. Then only I'll know whether we know. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation.
Can you go to the problem?
The problem is this, Ma. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Oh, sorry. You're not seeing, huh? How about this? You're able to see?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is this? There are two questions on the board. This is just a review of what we have done. I'm a little concerned. So let's see. Did we cover quadratic inequalities, graphing? Did we cover that?
We're doing that next in our curriculum.
Yeah, we covered that.
In class, Ma? In class, Vishnuram?
Oh, no. Wait, never mind. It's because I did it at school already.
Okay. That's correct, Sham. Good job. Can you do the second one? That's right, Vishnu Ram. Can you do the second one? 9 power of minus 5 by 2. Vidyut,
Yeah, wait, I accidentally sent to.
Ashwik, correct. Both are correct. Good job, guys.
Is my second answer correct?
I sent my answer.
Oh, yeah, Vidyut.
Yeah.
No, Vidyut, you are in a hurry to answer. Vishnu Ram, correct both. Diya, correct, ma. Second one?
Times 7, 2, 1, 1.
Oh, wow, that's a good one. Let's see. How do you solve this, guys? We have not solved things like this, but then this is an application of what we have learned.
I kind of did
You
like this
can
one.
you can go ahead and do the third problem. Yes, Sham. Sham, Ashwik, you can go ahead and do. Vishnu Ram, go ahead and do the third problem. Anish, I did not get an answer from you, ma. Vidyut, no Vidyut. Discriminant, right? What is the discriminant, Vidyut? You help me. What is the discriminant?
Isn't it? I know the formula is like b squared plus 4ab or something.
B square minus 4ac, right?
Oh.
Are you doing the homework, Vidyut?
Yeah, I think I wasn't here for that one class of discriminant. That was the day I went. Wait, I'm gonna.
Go ahead.
I mixed up the formulas. Wait,
Priya, did you get the answer? Anish, are you doing it by yourself, Anish, or are you needing help?
I sent my answer.
Yeah, I saw that, ma. Are you doing it by yourself? What did you do, Anish? How did you do that, ma? How did you do that? Anish, explain how you did that.
Hello?
Yes, Anish, explain how did you do that?
I don't know.
How did you get the answer?
I guess.
You guessed?
Mm-hmm.
How can you guess the answer here? Anish, where are you getting the answer from?
I
Ah,
didn't get the answer. My mom and dad is here.
mm. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. This is a, this is b, this is c. So b square is, what is b square? 25 minus 4ac. What is the answer here? That is a discriminant, right? So this is 25 minus, what is 16 times 7? 112. So the answer is minus 87 Vidyut.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
Do the next one. Do the
Okay.
next one.
Find
Dia,
the value of-
Dia, I'm not getting answers now. What's going on with you?
I
sent you both of them.
Which one?
I sent you the first two.
Oh, first one you send it. Yes. Second one as well is right. Third one, ma. See, intersection means one equation can go into the other. You can substitute one equation into the other. Is that possible for you to find out then?
How do you
What is the slope of that line? So, okay, wait. I don't know how are we going to solve this.
What I did is I did the first equation minus the second equation.
Uh-huh.
Started finding the values for x in both equations, and then I did y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
You substituted the first equation, this one. Okay, see, we can do that. Okay, so you're saying you subtracted both the equations. So 0 would be equal to what? Minus 88x square, and after that?
Minus
88x square, then minus 426, 8
4,
and 434.
minus
434.
434x
Okay.
plus 99.7.
Plus, no, you're subtracting both the equation, right? Then it should be minus 67 plus 32.7, right? Ashwin, do you get it?
Yeah.
So you have to subtract both, right?
Mhm.
So what will you get? Minus 24.3, right? Yeah, minus 24.3, right? Ashwik, are you getting?
Yeah.
So if you get that, so you substitute it, and then solving this for x, you have to solve for x using, you can use the formula or anything. So you will get two x values, right? Those
Yeah, and
are
then I did x2 minus x1.
Those are the two x values where the line meets the parabola. This is a parabola. This is an inverted parabola, right? This is an inverted parabola and this is a line equation. So they are saying it intersects at 2 points. So when you solve this equation, right? When you solve this equation, you will get the value of x where they meet, right? Put that x into our equation. When you put that x into any of these equations, you will get the value of y. There'll be two x's will yield 2y. So once you get that 2x and 2y, you can find the slope. Make sense?
Yeah.
Ashwin, are you following, Ashwin?
Yeah, auntie.
I'm going to give more. Yeah, go ahead.
I wanted to ask, how do you graph a parabola?
Oh, how do you graph a parabola? Let's go ahead and graph a parabola. Let's go ahead and graph a parabola. Y equal to x square, how you graph it? You tell me.
Y is equal to x squared. It's going to be like a curve like that.
How do you graph a parabola? Anything graphing, what is your first method?
Oh yeah, make a table and
Yeah, that's the easiest way to graph anything, right? Minus 2, 0, 2. What is the value of y? 4, 0, 4, right, ma?
Oh,
So now, yeah, minus 2, comma 4. Minus 2, comma 4. Then 0, comma 0, 2, comma 4. Make sense?
oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Ashwin, you're with me, Ashwin?
Yeah, I'm listening, auntie.
Okay, Anish, are you with me?
Yeah.
So this is the graphing, okay, but this, yeah. So here, yeah, it is going to be a big equation, but then you can solve it quickly. It should not be a problem. I'm going to give this set as homework to you. Let me see. What is the eighth triangular number? What is the eighth triangular number? What is the eighth triangular number?
36.
36.
Wow, good job. Very nice. So you know triangular numbers now. That is nice. How about this? Guys, these all you can apply based on what we have learned, all in algebra 1. How about this? How do you find the area of this triangle? Would you be able to find it? What should you do? Tell me, guys.
Can you just plot it in a coordinate graph?
Exactly. Plot into coordinate form. Okay, you should be novel. Okay, 2, 5, right? So 2, 5, 8, 4 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 8. 3, 8 is somewhere here. Okay, that's 3, 8. So it's a little sloppy. It's not a straight line. So how do we find it? How do we find the area? Just tell me. You're going to work it out at home. How do you find the area of this?
Height times base.
Good. Height times base.
So the height is just 3.
That is slanted, right? Height means it should be perpendicular to the base. See, if you take this as your base, then the height has to come from there till here. It's very difficult to find it. It's not that easy to find it here. If you consider this as the base, then the height has to come from the opposite vertex down at a 90-degree angle. So how do you find this? Is it difficult? I don't know. Tell me. What is the best way to find?
You could flip it over so that then the highest part is down and then the this part
But if you do that, yeah, but what difference it's going to create?
so like this part becomes the height.
That see, yeah, but see, if that is the height, right? Then you're considering this as the base. They both should be perpendicular. Yeah. Yeah. So tell me. Can I let you break your head on this week?
Okay.
Can I give you a set of how many problems in this? Let me see. Can I give you a set of 30 problems?
Priyanti,
Yeah.
did you know that the set of 30 problems I did, I answered 14 of them, and it took me an hour for 14. So it's gonna take
14 okay, let's see. Can I give this to you guys? Set of 30 problems. If you don't know something, please bring it back. We'll work it out. Can we try that?
Yeah, Auntie.
Yeah, we'll try that. Okay, this is going to be a good challenge for you guys. Let's try that. Okay. And yeah, there are certain things that you might not know. You can feel free to bring back. Make sense?
Okay.
We'll work it out. Okay.
Bye.
Okay, that was good one for me. I don't know. I didn't even get into your book today.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Priyanti.
Bye, guys. Did you all learn something?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I learned. Bye, Priyanti.
Bye,
Definitely.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, Priyanti. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Anish, I had a question to you. Anish? 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 Anish, can I call your mom?